Keeping your dryer vent cleaned out is crucial for maintaining a safe and efficient business and residential. Over time, lint and debris can build up in the vent. Leading to reduced airflow and potentially causing your dryer to overheat. Which is a common cause of household fires. Regular dryer vent cleaning not only helps prevent these hazards but also improves your dryer's performance, reducing energy consumption and extending the lifespan of your appliance. Telephone receiver schedule a professional dryer. Vent cleaning today and ensure your home remains safe and your dryer operates at peak efficiency. Contact now. Call us now. 571-970-8489. And more details visit website www.ealestate.com.